you see that? Yeah. So there are a ton of new people who work here at Hoonigan that don't actually know how to do burnouts or donuts, which is a problem. So it's lunchtime. We're gonna slowly but surely get everyone up to speed on how to break things. Don't look over there. So we got the good old Corvette. This thing, I don't know how it's still alive, but it is. So we're gonna bring out a surprise guest who doesn't know it's his turn to learn, but he's actually been asking me to show him for quite some time. So we're gonna get him in the seat and let him break this thing and let him have some fun, and we'll see how it goes.
All right, new year, new sick race car, Ken Block, Trouble Andrew, means new merch. Sick quality, solid messaging. This is drop number 2. Make sure you don't miss it, especially if you missed the first one. Quantities are limited. Hoonigan.com.
Juan, what's up?
Just doing some easy work today, working on this thing.
What are you doing?
Taking some photos.
You like pizza?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
You shook your head no at first.
Because I remember I had a burrito today.
What does that have to do with pizza?
Because I would have felt bad if you would have offered some or something.
Oh, you think I would share my lunch with you?
Yeah, you should.
What are you doing?
I'm driving this thing.
You want to?
Nah.
You don't want to drive it?
Yeah, at some point. I know how.
I know you've been preparing, for your moment, right?
When and the brake started, then you check this shit, because everyone always does that, just to make sure you're not in any gears loose. And then what you would do is put that shit on first, and then you would let go of the brake, but you don't want it to roll, so you give it gas, and let go of the clutch, clutch in,
Today's driving tip, what do you buy, Mr. Juan?
Yeah, and then if you want to drift, what you do is step on that shit, and then this, pull this bit, and then, yeah, let the wheel do its thing. Put me on that F1 drive.
Dude, if Juan wasn't here doing our social stuff, he'd be a Formula Drift driver, right?
I've been a driver. Why is there 2 of these things?
One stock and one's aftermarket.
Lit.
Hold on.
Yeah, pull that bitch out.
Can you pull that? Thank you. All right, well, so I've been secretly training Juan for his moment, so let's show the people what you're supposed to do.
Before you start, is it gonna roll away because...
It's okay, don't worry about it.
What you would do is insert your key right here.
Let's start over. Juan, what do you drive?
I drive a stupid Tesla.
Have you ever done a burnout?
No.
Have you ever done donuts?
Not myself, no.
So you never done donuts, you've never done a burnout. You ever driven stick?
No.
You've never driven stick?
Never, but I've watched YouTube videos.
All right, so you watch YouTube videos and we've had a talk on how to do this stuff, right? Today might not be your day, but let's just keep the thing going of preparing,
So what you do is you put the key in here. You step on the clutch all the way in, and then you step on the brake, you turn that up. And then you check this thing.
What's that called?
The neutral disc.
The nut check.
The nut check. You check the nuts. And then after you check the nuts and they're working, what you would do in this situation would be look for reverse, put it on reverse, and then slowly let go of the brake, and then might start rolling, and then you just give a little off.
Ooh, you get smooth with that. You get smooth with that. You've been practicing at your desk a lot.
And then for drifting, what you would do is check the nuts, and then put it on first gear, let that gas rip, and then what you would do is maybe go into second gear so you don't kill it right off the rip, and then as you're going, you pump the clutch and then do that.
Just give it a little clutch kick?
Yeah, a little clutch. Is clutch kick good?
Yeah.
Clutch kick gas and pull this thing, but do it like music, baby. Just let it rip on the
How Show me that.
Like that.
Like-
They watch the road, look for the shorty.
Okay. Oh, okay. Where are the keys at? Just. Are you sitting on them?
Yep.
Start it up. I want to see.
Should we close the hood
I'm just letting them start it. You know.
in first?
Oh.
Yeah, let him.
I would have rolled.
Let the man figure this out. All right.
You check the nuts. Oh, I forgot what cars sound like.
Give me a couple revs. Let's. No. Give us some juice. Your Tesla don't do that, huh?
I hate it.
How about we just do it right now? Are you ready?
I don't know. I'm not ready.
Close the hood. Let's just do it right now. I think you're ready.
Oh boy.
I think you're. You said, "Oh boy."
So then we're on reverse now.
Are you?
It's harder than I thought.
So think about your training. Think about your. Yeah, there you go. All right. Think about your training. All right, clutch in.
Oh shit! It's so much harder to go in reverse than I thought.
All right, take it out of reverse.
Not checked.
No, you're not. You're in reverse. So, yep, there you go. All right.
And then what you would do is right here.
Get a feel for it. All right. How's that feel?
Like I don't really know what I'm doing.
This is your first time driving manual?
Yeah.
And you just took off by yourself like that?
Yeah, I guess.
Do you understand how good that is? You ready? All right. Clutch the kick and just floor it right here. Keep the wheel turned. Kick the shit out of it right here. You gotta. All right. Listen. Now, all right. So you got the clutch kick down, but you have to floor it. So when you want to stop, you have to push the clutch in. That's the one thing we didn't teach you.
Can I push the seat forward a little?
You can try. It's electric, I think, or no? No, I think it's stuck. I think we can get you. Can we get him some pillows?
I'm learning how to drift from the best drifter in the world.
That's not true. Find your happy place. All right.
Happy place. So you just give it more gas
Just a
when
little
you
more
take
gas
off?
when you take off. Yeah. Don't worry about crashing. Floor it. All right. You see that? Yeah. All right.
You really gotta floor it.
Yeah, you gotta floor it. All right. Don't be afraid to floor it.
I just don't want to crash and hurt you.
Listen, look at me.
Yeah, I won't.
Don't worry about crashing it.
You can
all
pull
right?
it?
I'll stop you. All right, just floor it. All right. So get in the position again. You know. Yeah.
I want to do a circle real
All right,
quick.
right here. No, just do it right now. Let's go, baby. Clutch it. Hell yeah. Yo. Clutch in. Oh, you want to keep going?
I only want one.
Hit it another one. Oh, that's all right. That was good, though. That was good. That was good.
That's pretty good. Thank you so much.
Yo, let's go.
Can I do one last time?
Yeah, let's go.
That's so lit. This is the American dream.
There you go. That's my guy right there. You did that.
I didn't kill
You
him.
did that.
Yeah, bro, that's good.
Yo.
How was that?
This is Juan's first time driving stick. He's never driven stick before. How quickly did he pick that up?
Dude, too fast.
He's been watching YouTube videos and practicing at his desk how to do this. Like he's envisioned this.
And it's happening.